Hello guys, welcome to AS3 Hero. Today we are going to check how you can use style in our HTML page. Let us proceed. Let us give a title styling in HTML. Suppose we want to make our body red. Okay. Suppose nothing here. Okay. We have just written nothing here. Okay. Yes. Now this white background we need to make it green. Then we'll use style. To use style, we have an attribute called style. Yes, style equals to double inverted comma. Inside that we have to write our styling code. Okay, if we want to make our background red, then you must use background color property. Okay, background color, and if you want to make it red, then give it a red. Okay? Save it and let's check it in browser. I'll refresh it. Now after refreshing we get our background red. How this happened? This happened due to this styling. Okay, background color red. Now if you want this text to be in another color, suppose we want this in uh, another color like blue, then we'll change the color of this page with this CSS. Okay, this style is actually a CSS part, but we are doing it inside body part, so we are learning it inside HTML. Okay, now let's make it color color blue. Okay, here you have to take care of this semicolon. Okay, if you have only one property, then it doesn't matter you write semicolon or not, but if you have more than one property, then you must separate with this semicolon. Okay, let's take it in browser, refresh it, and we get it in blue color. Okay guys, in this way we can use CSS or style in HTML. Thank you for watching. Please, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like it. Okay guys, have a nice day.